Every day, thousands of security vulnerabilities put companies at risk. Security teams are overwhelmed, and threats are advancing faster than they can respond. Introducing SYMBIONT-X, an artificial intelligence platform that autonomously detects, prioritizes, and remediates vulnerabilities. Our system utilizes for specialized AI agents working in tandem, a security scanner, a risk evaluator, an automated remediation agent, and a central orchestrator. All operating in real time. With a single click, we launch a comprehensive repository analysis. The system scans dependencies, source code, exposed secrets, containers, and infrastructure configurations. In seconds, our agents identify and automatically prioritize vulnerabilities. We don't just detect issues, we categorize them by real business impact, from P0 critical to P for informational. For critical decisions, SYMBIONT-X includes human oversight. High-risk vulnerabilities require approval before applying fixes, ensuring total control over every change. The security team can review the RS analysis, add comments, and approve or reject with a single click. Everything is recorded in a comprehensive audit trail. Our monitoring dashboard displays real-time metrics, detected vulnerabilities, remediation success rate, and time saved. Complete visibility into your security posture. SYMBIONT-X transforms security from reactive to proactive. Built with Microsoft Azure technologies and artificial intelligence, it is the future of DevSecOps. SYMBIONT-X, intelligent, automated security, under your control.